So welcome friends, welcome to Tailwind app for Pinterest editor. If you are a business owner on Pinterest, this is going to be the best video ever for you because Tailwind tool, tailwindapp.com is the best tool for you Pinterest creators because this will create automated systems for you. You don't have to bother about the scheduling of your Pinterest pins on Pinterest by your own because this Tailwind app will take care of that as well. So let's get into this video and this tutorial in which I'm going to show you each and everything about setting up your Pinterest profile with this Tailwind app, creating AI powered pins and scheduling them. But before that, I also show you how to connect Tailwind with your Pinterest profile. So first of all, just tap the link of this app from description of this video and you will head over to this page, but you have to create your account. So this asks me for the first name, so I will enter my first name, then email, enter your email, then password. I am going with the passwords proposed by this tool, I think. Yeah, so add your email as well, enter your valid email, and then if your business website, enter that, but I'm not going to do that. I highly recommend you to enter your website right here in web business website section or field, then tap at next, then welcome or theme which describes you best. So let me save this, and it says if you are blogger, break or more marketing client, influencer or other. So I'm a blogger, just I'll enter blogger and then tap at next. Just wait for some seconds. Now it says drive traffic to your blog with Pinterest. So what you have to do is tap at this account, connect account. Just wait for some seconds because it is going to be redirect us with Pinterest, and it says give access. You can see I've already signed in my Pinterest account in this Chrome, so it says give access button. So what you have to do is tap at give access button and it will grant access to your Pinterest account. So just wait for some seconds because we are, then tap at confirm. So this is my Pinterest account, so it's going to be connected with that. Just wait for some seconds. It says let's make some magic and collect your website. So I don't have a website by now, so just tap at next. I highly recommend you to go with entering your website after in that page. So now it says which you can see there are many options right here, but I'm going with this, but I highly recommend you to go with this one. Okay, so this is going to be the game changer for your Pinterest journey, so I highly recommend you to go with this, but currently I have to show you, so that's why I'm going to in this. I think I have one Pinterest account and 5 AI credits per month, so I can literally show you everything which I have to show you in this video. So tap it go to Pinterest and just tap it got it. Now you can see if I have 5 monthly posts and 5 AI credits remaining here. So what you have to do is go to your website. For example, I have a website about best kayak under 500. I am continuously posting content about kayaking, and for that, this is for instance, this is my website. What you have to do is head over to any page for which you want to create pins. For example, this is my blog, so I have to copy the URL of this blog and then head over to this Tailwind app. Now what you have to do is tap at this create option. After that, we have two options, site photos or stock photos. You can select stock photos in order to create pins with AI, or you can upload as well, but I'm going with this URL and just hit enter. Now wait for some seconds, just wait for magic, and we will see this AI tool Tailwind will create stunning visuals from this URL or this blog, the 6 best kayaks of 2025. This is affiliate blog. Okay, people can directly buy from this. For example, tap at this and they will be directed to Amazon. This website is earning from Amazon Associates, and we are just wait a bit. You can see these are now to select images for as a background. You will have all these images. These are extracted from this website. Okay, so these are not photos from somewhere else. These are totally unique and your images. So what you have to do is select any image. For example, I'm going with this image for now, and this image will be applied to all these, and you can see all these have different sort of designs. For me, all these can be uploaded at once by me. So let me show you how to schedule all these images. You can see the 6 best fake kayaks. In just 2 or 3 clicks, I got best of the best. I got best of the best images and best of the best pins right here. You can see head over to description and create account. This is must. So for example, I selected this one. For example, what you have to do is tap at select button and this will be selected to you. Now what you have to do is continue review design, or you can continue selecting and tap at to select and select all the images as well, but I'm going with this one, review design. Just wait for some seconds, I am going to show you. And this is the design. I can review, edit or deselect or post types. Then I can download design and upload this on my Pinterest account manually, or I can tap at this go schedule and you can select multiple accounts, but I have just integrated my Pinterest Fishing Baba account. So what you have to do, you have to upgrade in order to connect multiple accounts, and I highly recommend you to upgrade. Then tap at confirm, just wait for some seconds, and I will show you how to schedule with this platform. Just wait for some seconds. My internet a little bit slow, I think. Yeah, now let me show you something. The title. This is a ghostwriter and I have credits, so I can easily, you can change media. If you don't want this pin to be uploaded, you can change the pins from here, because we have plenty of pins created by AI for us using this Tailwind app for Pinterest. Just I'll tap it ghostwriter and I'm posting about informational content, and the title should be best kayaks 2025 or 2026, whatever. Add call to action and read now. For example, I want to add read now as call to action, and the step generate pins. Now this will analyze my pin and my keyword for this informational lead, and pin title and description is always and automatically be generated for you using this Tailwind app. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Just wait for them. Then save details, tap at save details, and all these website URL is just, you can see website URL is just pasted over here automatically. Then pin title, pin description, and I can select boards. For example, I have already created boards, and this will fetch boards from my Pinterest profile, because my whole Pinterest profile is attached to this Pinterest pin scheduler. So I think Pinterest fishing kayaks would be the best one. Then what you have to do is you can select timing from this little icon here. Just I will tap at this, and 6th and Friday should be, and the timing should be this one. Then schedule, and this will be scheduled. Yes, this has been scheduled. So this is the first thing we have done with, you can see the AI credits one used. So I have used one credit because of this ghostwriter. Let me show you ghostwriter as well. This is very much many tools and features right here. You can some feature generate social media post from a URL. This is we just tried this one for our Pinterest, because our main motto is using this tool for Pinterest. Then general copy, then YouTube video scripts, then blog article headlines. So let me show you some Pinterest pin from blog or article. We just generate a Pinterest pin, or we have just created that as well. For example, I want to generate some YouTube video script outline. Just tap at this one, and what is title of your video. This will take 1 credit. I have already I have used already 1 credit, and I have 4 more credits to use, so I don't want to waste that. But if I highly recommend you to go for a popular plan on this tool, and then do whatever you want to do. So this is what it is about. You can SEO tools as well. If you are a blogger, this is going to be the game changer for you. Then insights will be shown right here. You can see all the insights will be rightly shown for you here. So profile metrics, pin count. So I have nothing till today, so let me share some pin scheduler. Go to pin scheduler, and I have, I think, 1 pin scheduled. So okay, so you can design pins by your own here. For example, let me show you another option here. For example, create pin, and you can browse images as well. You can stock footage as well. For example, if you want to choose any of, for example, this was our last pins, and I want to change the text and emphasize number in, well, I can change any font for me, this list right here, or upload my custom fonts. So for example, Archivo Black is, I think, yeah, this is going looking good. And then color palettes can be change from here. Yeah, you can see any color palette which you are comfortable with, or if you found that good, you can select that as well. This is what I just did with that. Then branding is another. You can a website or brand name. For example, if you want to do fishing Baba is my brand name, so I just said the fishing Baba. You can say this is, if you have any logo, you can select your logo and upload it over here. But for example, for now I said fishing Baba, and in different kinds of these pins you will find fishing Baba over here, fishing Baba as a label. So this is another cool design to have. So thanks for watching this video. Go check out description of this video and create your account using that link. Thanks for watching this video.